I'm going to show you how to find the FCC ID number and correct circuit board for your key fob. This will help ensure you order the right one for your vehicle. I'm Mike with Tom's Key Company. We provide do-it-yourself car key and car fob programming services. So we make it super easy for you to make another fob like this or another key for your vehicle. Simply visit our website, tomskey.com, where you can place an order to get the equipment so you can program it yourself and save a bunch of money over the cost of car dealership charges. When you're trying to figure out which fob you have, you need to look on the back, and there should be an FCC ID number, some part numbers, things like that. If you need to, use your phone, take a picture and zoom in to be able to read them. You might have to get it in the right light. Sometimes it's printed on the inside of the cover. You can look in there inside while you're changing the battery. But otherwise, you might need to call the dealership, give them your VIN number, and find out specifically which key fob your vehicle uses. Depending on your key fob, you may need to open the case to find the FCC ID number inside. Or you may need to figure out which circuit board Toyota used for your particular vehicle. Some models and years of vehicles have multiple possible circuit boards that Toyota used inside. So you want to be sure you order the one compatible with your vehicle. Insert the tip of the blade into the fob and give it a little twist. Just like that, and it'll pop open. Now, you'll find that for some of the Toyota smart fobs, the cases can look identical, but they have a different circuit board inside on our website. So if you're trying to buy another fob, be sure you pull the circuit board out and look on the back. So it's a G0020 board. If the text is too small to read, grab a smartphone, take a picture, and then you can zoom in, and that'll usually help you be able to read the letters and numbers you need to be sure you get the right fob for your vehicle. Now, also note, sometimes these silicone rubber pads like this can kind of stick and grab onto the circuit board and make it hard to get out. So if that's the case, usually you can get a hold of it with a little bit of effort. Just be gentle and try to get it pulled out nice and smooth. To put it back together, get everything lined up, be sure the silicone pads and the buttons are in the right spots, and then simply close the clamshell up. It takes a little bit of force or pressure, and just like that. We look forward to helping you with all your car key and remote needs. So go visit tomskey.com and we'll help you out. Get you another smart key fob like this for keyless entry or another remote like that. Thanks and have a great day.